In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix automatic repair loop in Windows 11. Boot your PC and when prompt, navigate to the Advanced Options screen. From there, select Troubleshoot. Inside the Troubleshoot menu, choose Advanced Options. In there, click on Uninstall Updates. You'll have the option to uninstall the latest quality update or feature update. Choose one to see if it resolves the issue. If uninstalling updates doesn't fix the problem, go back to Advanced Options. Select Startup Repair to allow Windows to attempt to fix any issues preventing the system from loading. If the issue persists, return to Advanced Options and open Command Prompt. You'll need to select your account and enter your password to proceed. In the command prompt, you will need to execute several commands to check and repair the system files and disk errors. Type checkdisk/r and press enter. This command checks 4 attempts to repair some disk errors. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And if you lost your data during this, there is a tool that can help you restore the data in the link description of this video.